Are you ready to take your IT skills to the next level? Welcome to
AI267, Red Hat Certified Specialist in OpenShift AI training.
where we empower you to excel in the rapidly evolving world of technology. By passing this test,
You'll learn to deploy, manage, and scale AI/ML workloads on OpenShift, integrating cutting-edge AI tools within a robust Kubernetes environment.
let's meet our trainer, Satyendra Pal, who are expert level and completely up to date in the subjects they teach because they continue to spend time working on real-world industry applications. Satyendra Pal has more than 10+ years of experience in Linux and related technologies, has experienced on multiple real-time industries-related projects. He trained more than 10,000+ students in a year. He's certified professionals with high grade having strong theoretical and practical knowledge. With this kinds of expertise which Satyendra has, let's see what we're going to learn in this course.
Enroll now.